Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about NTDS. So, what is the NTDS? Means neural tube defects and neural tube defects. And then next one, the neural tubal defects is treated with the folic acid. So, now we discuss about the NTDS and importance of folic acid. So, what is the NTDS? So, NTDS means NTDS neural tubal defects among the most common birth defects. So these are the presented occurs in the baby. So it contributing to infant mortality and serious disability occur. Disability means it's normally the normal person and compare than the NTDS person. So NTDS person is the abnormalities are presented in our body. So baby birth with the some defects, so disability, so that is the NTDS means neural tube defects. So neural tube defects is occurs in the which part of the body? So one is the first one is the spinal cord, brain, and occurs in the early human development. So mainly these are occurs in the body. These are occurs in the body, especially occurs in the spinal cord and brain. So this one is in the third week of pregnancy. So where it is occurs in the baby, in the third week of pregnancy is called as gestulation. The specialized cells means at the third week of pregnancy, the egg and sperm is combined to form a one baby. So that baby is the develops and starts from the first week onwards. But the NTDS occurs in the baby is the third week onwards. So that is called as a gastrulation. So in the gastrulation period, the specialized cells are drossal sites. It starts from it's a fuse and from the neural tuber formation. So the neural tube does not completely identified. So this one is identified in the at the third week of the pregnancy. And the next one. So these are all are the these are neural tubal defects, these characters. So neural tubal defects is occurs in the body, especially from starts from the third week onwards. So means abnormality head and vertebrae is changes. So types of NTDS, what are their types? Different types. So it's a classified into two types. One is the open NTDS and the second one is the closed NTDS. So what is the open and what is the closed NTDS? So first of all, it is a open and closed NTDS. So open means it is classified into several types, and closed is also classified into several types. So one is the encephalae and encephalo cells and hydronephalae. These are all are the example for the open, and these three are the example for the closed. Closed NTDS and open NTDS are occur. So these are all characters. These are characters are identified in the vertebrae and as well as the brain. So this is about the types of NTDS. So the what is the importance of each and everything? And the next one. So first one is encephale. Encephale means simply encephale means forehead is changes. Encephale means forehead is changes. So no brain formation. This is called as no brain formation is called as a encephale. Normally brain is form. So abnormally the encephale condition no brain formation. So encephale without brain, simply encephale means without brain. So the neural tube defect is occurs when the head end and the neural tube fails and to close usually during the 23rd to the 26th day of pregnancy. This one is occurred in the pregnancy condition 23rd to 26th week, means minimum third week to fourth week. So results absence of the major portion of the brain and skull. So the infant both in this condition, brain without the main part of the forebrain and a large part of the cerebrum, and usually blind or deaf and unconscious. These type of defects are presented in the baby. So this is about the encephalitis. So encephalolysis, and second one is here. So like the back side head is increases or front side in between of eyes, at the upper part of the nose, it produces these characters. So the it characters are the extra portions is a formation in the body, so that can grow in the middle upper part of the skull and between the forehead and nose or the back of the skull. These characters are presented in the baby. These known as the encephalosis. And the next one, types of this close, that is the open type. These up to here, these are the closed types. And what about the closed types? Closed types means is the lipomyelian zile. So this one is simply at the vertebrae, at the vertebrae end part of the vertebrae, it produces the extra muscle. So it is a rare birth defect. It affect the child backbone, means spinal cord is affected in this condition. So so these characters are occurs in the body is called as a lipomyelomeningocele. Lipomyelomeningocele means simply it is affects the child's backbone, means spinal cord is affected, and the spine vertebrae also affected. So in this condition, so the next one, it is a lipomyeningocele is a fatty mass located under the skin on the child back. So backside of the vertebrae, it is a mass muscle is produces. It is unusually located in the middle of the back, and a mass goes onward the spinal canal. So these characters are occurs in the body, that is called as a lipomyelomeningocele. So this is about the closed characters. So these type of characters are treated with the folic acid. So the folic acid is a vitamin B12 and vitamin B folic acid is a vitamin B9, and the next one, vitamin B12 is the cyanocobalamin. These two are the very important reducing these characters. Which type of characters? NTDs characters. The NTDs characters is treated with the vitamin B12 and vitamin B9. So require produce the maintenance of the, and it one is the not only decreases these characters, and it maintains the new cells also. It maintains the new cells synthesis and RNA synthesis, and folate is need to carry the one carbon growth for the methylation and nucleic acid synthesis purpose also. This folic acid and vitamin B12 is involved in there. So these are all characters are the mainly simply folic acid is involved in the prevention of NTDs. Not only folic acid, vitamin B12 also. And these are the six characters. The six characters is the mainly what is the importance of these characters? Simply it maintains the new cell formation and RNA formation, nucleic acid formation, and in case of any characters are presented in the entities, characters are presented in the baby, that's one is also treated with the folic acid. That is the importance of folic acid. And here mention the some doses also. So how much of doses needed for the treatment of diseases? So that is the doses and importance of folic acid. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.